Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about a better file explorer for Windows 11 in 2024. Well, we've talked about the file explorer from Windows 11 in a lot of videos. I showed you how to enable certain hidden features and other features related to the file explorer, but of course Microsoft is still working on the file explorer, and depending on the version of Windows 11 that you're using, you may still encounter bugs with the file explorer. It is still a little bit slow here and there. So if you're tired of the default file explorer from Windows 11, I'm going to show you a better alternative, which is called Files. If you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. Files is a free app that you can install through the Microsoft Store. So just search up Microsoft Store inside search, and inside the file explorer type in the search box Files, and you have here Files app. As you can see, it has a 4.2 rating with over 3K ratings, so I think this is a very good app overall. I've used it before and I think it's a way better alternative compared to the default Windows 11 file explorer. Make sure to click on the install button and install the Files app. The download process will start, also the installation process, and then we're going to be good to go. I'm going to showcase some of the most interesting things, and we're going to do a small comparison with the Files app and file explorer. So now the app is installed. Let's open it up. Search inside the search box Files, open it. It's going to load up, and as you can see, this is how the Files explorer looks. It matches the Windows 11 experience. As you can see, it has a lot more rounded corners, and I think overall the design is pretty similar, and also how the certain sections are located. But you're going to notice in the left side that you have here drives, cloud drives, network drives, and also tags. We can now go into the settings section, click on this button, go to advanced, and on experimental feature flags you can set files as the default file manager if you want to use it. Of course, this will modify the system registry. You can always go back if you're not happy with it. You can turn this on. It's going to ask you to modify some registries, and then you should be good to go. If we close Files, you're going to notice that if we open the File Explorer, the Files app will be open. Some of the differences between the File Explorer and the Files app: for example, when you click on drives, you only have to single click, and you can select files with these check marks, and I think that is pretty good. Of course, we have the basic functions at the top here, and basically the ribbon from the top is moved here, and I think this is pretty good. And we also have, of course, ways of categorizing our files inside the system. Of course, we also have tabs. Files had tabs before the File Explorer in Windows 11, and I think that is pretty nice. And what you're going to notice, one of the highlights of this app is that it is very, very fast. So as you can see, you open up tab, instantly things are loading up. You can search things, and also going to use the search index faster. You can customize the home page if you want. You can pin certain apps to have quick access to them. And you also have recent files. Basically, the home section is very similar to the home section inside the File Explorer, but if we compare them, you're going to notice that the Files app looks way more polished, because as you can see, Microsoft in the left sidebar doesn't yet have rounded corners, and when the app is minimized like this, as you can see, I think Files does a way better job of showing all the options on a smaller window. And what's interesting, of course, you can customize the Files app even more. If you want to go into the settings section and then go to appearance, you can change up how you want it. As you can see, you have a lot of colors here, and you can also select a custom one if you want, but I like the default view. And you can also use compact spacing in the details layout. You're going to notice that Files will be way more compact inside the Files app. For me, I think it's better the default way. And of course, you can customize folder tags, and you have even a connection to GitHub, and I think that is pretty useful because it will help you with your developments. But yeah, overall, as I've said, the Files app seems to be a little bit more polished, even though I think a small number of developers are working on this app. But as you can see, it has rounded corners, it has a very nice implementation and integration with Windows 11, and it is way faster in my opinion. It opens instantly, and you have very small response times. Search is faster. I think overall, if you're not happy with the default File Explorer in Windows 11, you can give Files app a try. As I've said, you can get it from the Microsoft Store, and you can test it out for yourself and see if it's a match for you. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below, and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.